My name's Jasper and I'm from Swansea.
I'm Mia and I'm from Pontypridd.
Hi, my name is Jordan and I'm from Rhydyfelin.
I'm Caitlin and I'm from Pole.
I'm Tim Griffiths. I'm from Ogmore.
So I'm Josh Coulthard and I'm from Cardiff.
My name is Evan Rhys-Davies and I'm from Llanbradach in Caerphilly.
My name is Suma Pugh and I'm from Mountain Ash.
So my name is Powell and I'm from Poland.
So I've been wanting to make movies since I was about 2 years old. I used to run back and forth from the kitchen and the living room watching Toy Story 1 and 2, and it got to a point where I knew all the best bits, so I knew when to run into the next room. And I was very fortunate that my parents kind of helped me realise this dream that I had, and they've pushed me forward and have given me some tools basically to reach where I want to go.
So I applied for the apprenticeship because I was doing my A-levels and I realised that school wasn't for me and I wanted to go into an environment where I could learn, like being hands-on, and I thought this was a good opportunity to be able to do that.
I applied to the apprenticeship because I wanted to work in film for a long time, ever since I started college in Cohort, and I thought Skill Cymru would be the best way for me to work in the industry.
I applied for the apprenticeship because I'd love to see like a hands-on experience rather than just sitting in the classroom just learning about the things you could do.
I applied because I wanted to work in the creative industry. I started in theatre, but I always wanted to work in the screen industry. So a few years ago I made the change. And hope to progress further.
So I've been shooting music videos for the last 2 years and I've now decided to go into the film industry. I feel like film industry is where I want to be because I want to work on big productions.
I applied for the apprenticeship because I tried uni and then dropped out after about 6 months because it wasn't as hands-on as I would have liked it. So I looked for an apprenticeship which I knew would try and get me straight into the industry, a bit more hands-on and foot in the door, that sort of thing. And in all honesty, you get paid for this, you don't get paid for uni, so that helped. That was a bonus.
So I applied for this apprenticeship because I thought it would be a great opportunity to experience and get more training within the TV industry. Not just that, but earn a wage while I'm doing it.
So I applied for the apprenticeship because I've been sort of making films since I was little, since I was 8 years old, and it's just something that I want to get to do professionally, so this apprenticeship would be like a great way to put my foot through the door basically.
In the future, I'd like to make a production company in Wales and making stories from Welsh people about Wales.
I'm hoping through like the apprenticeship I can try all different areas within the industry and find one that I'm like the most passionate about and then see it as a lifelong career.
The dream job for me would become a cinematographer or a grip.
The dream job for me would be a video editor for comedy.
My ultimate goal would be to see my work on screen and be involved in the art department and see something I've created on the big screen. That would be my ultimate goal.
My ultimate goal would be to be an experienced cinematographer in the film industry.
There's a few areas I'm interested in. There's casting, there's screenwriting, and there's location. Any of them I'd be more than happy with, but honestly anything that makes me a well-known name in the industry, in Wales if not abroad.
What I want to get out of the apprenticeship is to just learn more about all the different roles within the TV industry and find out which one I'm best at.
So my ultimate goal is to basically produce my own film, like my own idea, produce a film and get it out in the cinemas.